Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 tapping machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the tapping machine. Specifications. Brand name, Unvertical. Type, Other. Average air consumption, 6 CFM. Usage, commercial manufacture. Is _customized, yes. Size, 1000 ohm. Maximum torque, pneumatic tapping machine. No load speed, 9250 RPM. DIY supplies, metalworking. Working pressure, 0.6 to 1.0 MPa. Item number 2 is the M3M16M30 electric tapping machine. Specifications. Brand name, Liebink. Origin, CN origin. Certification, C. Condition, new. CNC or not, CNC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have QM12 watts M3M12 automatic pneumatic threading machine. Specifications. Brand name, Unvertical. Type, Other. Average air consumption, 4 CFM. Usage, commercial manufacture. Is _customized, yes. Size, M3M12. Model number, QM12 watts. Maximum torque, pneumatic tapping machine. No load speed, 400 RPM. DIY supplies, metalworking. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.